This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heather Delamarter. Experience year-round beachside coastal-style living at 725 Dahlia Lane in Central Beach, Vero Beach. This fully renovated and furnished 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home features an open floor plan with a chef's island kitchen. Located east of A1A, it is steps from the ocean and local dining. The property includes a new paver driveway, a private patio, and newly landscaped with a large fenced backyard shaded by mature oaks. Pet-friendly and ready for immediate occupancy, it offers a 1-car garage and seamless indoor-outdoor living in a prime location. Short stroll to best area beaches, shop/dining. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Delamarter at 772-321-3056.